15 to 16 years since the building was opened, and we now have a microclimate in which we can grow not just the tall trees but the understory of the rainforest. The area represented is the tropical rainforest of Australia and the local rainforests in the islands surrounding the north of Australia. The glasshouse has a selection of plants that come from those tropical areas. One is the giant king fern, Angiopteris affecta. This fern is very prehistoric and in fact was one of the major food sources for the herbivorous dinosaurs. Another plant was the walking stick palm. The seeds were used as a pepper for the Aboriginal people. However, after the First World War, there was such a call for walking sticks for the disabled troopers that came back. They were pulled up by the hundred because they have a wonderful knobby root system which turned in a lathe, produced a wonderful cane. Some of the bigger trees in here are fishtail palms. They are caryotas. They are unique in the fact that they grow very tall without flowering. But then once they reach maturity, they flower at each node. So therefore, over a period of years, they flower from the bottom right up to the crown, and once they reach the crown, they die. This fishtail palm is in flower, and what you see here is the male parts of the flower, and as they drop, they dehiss all their pollen, which falls through the air and tries to pollinate female flowers in nearby trees. Another interesting palm in here is the pandanus. The pandanus is found in many tropical rainforests, and they surround areas where flash flooding or ponds can occur. To enable them to withstand the flash flooding, they have developed a very strange root system which gives them a pillared buttress effect. The social interaction between people and plants is very important, and we have a wonderful plant here that demonstrates that significance. This fish poison plant grows quite happily in the tropics of Australia and produces fruits which are highly toxic. The Aborigines actually took that seed and used it as poison to kill fish. Once the fish were cooked, the poison was rendered inactive, and therefore the Aborigines could eat the fish without being harmed themselves. The building had also to be a tropical climate, so therefore inside the walls, the skin of the building, there have been put 4 plant rooms which contain the appropriate technology and plant to supply the heat and humidity required in rainforests. The temperature in Adelaide can range outside from 0 degrees right up to 45 degrees.